tell me, which form did you practice?
I used to do Surya Namaskar,
Hatha yoga.
Hatha Yoga.
Hatha, ha is sun, tha is moon, balancing your sun, Surya Nadi and Ida, Pingla Nadi. So say Pingla or Ida bhi karte, Ida Pingla. So the entire left side of your body is moon energy and the entire right side of your body is sun energy. So Hatha yoga is practiced in a way में pranayama आता है, asana, meditation, kriya आती है, a lot of cleansing techniques. And why do we practice hatha though? By doing that, we become very grounded. As soon as we get into practice of hatha yoga, which is an Asian practice, we become very grounded, relaxed, calm, and composed. And that balance doesn't only during the mat. On the mat, we can try different postures and attain that balance. But outside the mat, also, we feel very calm, grounded. And anything we do could be while we are working on a project, or while we are cooking, or while we are spending time with a family. So that balance comes to us. So, hatha is very beautiful. And that balance, basically that hatha yoga, the balance we achieve, what hatha yoga is doing is helping us to prepare for the higher spiritual practices. Means that is not the end. Hatha is not the end. And when we talk about ashtanga, have you tried ashtanga?
मुझे ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा, बट आई थिंक सो मैंने किया
किया
होगा.
होगा. Yes, that's okay. So Ashtanga yoga is more popular than Hatha, getting more popular than Hanga. It's a practice which has come from Mysore, originated from Mysore. So Hatha yoga lays a strong foundation of Ashtanga. Ashtanga is a dynamic form. So उसमें around 76 asanas है series 1 में. But Hatha yoga lays a strong foundation for that practice. So if your level 1 is not done yet, directly jumping into Ashtanga yoga is not recommended. Okay, so Ashtanga also sets a good discipline. Your body tones up, strength आती है, you become more confident. वो जो अग्नि है ना आपके अंदर की वो अच्छे से kindle होती है, so that your digestion becomes well. So it helps to cleanse our entire system and purify our entire system. But even Ashtanga is not the end. There is something higher than that.
ये छोटी-छोटी क्लिप्स के अंदर ना आपको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ और आपको ऐसी और क्लिप्स चाहिए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू बी नायाब क्लिप्स, क्योंकि छोटे इन्फॉर्मेशन में भी ना आपको बहुत नॉलेज मिलेगी।